This video is on sole proprietorship. Today we are going to discuss important MCQs of this chapter. All you have to do is pause the video and give the correct answer and test your brains. So now let's start with question number 1. Question 1 is, which of the following best describes a sole proprietorship? इन गिवन ऑप्शंस में सबसे बेस्ट कौन सा सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? ऑप्शन ए, अ बिजनेस ओन्ड बाय टू पार्टनर्स शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉसेस इक्वली. ऑप्शन बी, अ बिजनेस ओन्ड एंड कंट्रोल्ड बाय वन इंडिविजुअल बियरिंग ऑल रिस्क. Option C, a company registered under the Companies Act with limited liability. Or option D, a business where ownership and management are separate. So the correct answer is option number B. Sole proprietorship is always owned and managed by one individual who enjoys all profit but also bears all risk and losses. So the correct answer for question 1 is option number B. Question number 2. Which feature of sole proprietorship makes it most suitable for small scale businesses? Options क्या है? Limited liability, next is quick decision making, perpetual succession, or D, large scale resources. So the correct answer is option number B. Option number B इसलिए क्योंकि the owner does not have to consult anyone. Decisions are quick, make it ideal for small shops and local businesses. Question number 3. The capital in sole proprietorship is usually limited because option A, the owner avoids taking loan. Option B, the business cannot raise money from banks. Option C, only one person contributes to the capital. Or option D, profits are shared among many owners. So the correct answer for question number 3 is option number C. See, in sole proprietorship, only one person invests money. So resources are limited compared to other form of businesses. Next, question number 4. Which of the following is not a merit of sole proprietorship? यानी इसमें इन चारों में से कौन सा एडवांटेजेस सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप का नहीं है? फर्स्ट इज क्विक डिसीजन मेकिंग, नेक्स्ट डायरेक्ट मोटिवेशन फ्रॉम प्रॉफिट, सी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इन ऑपरेशन एंड द लास्ट डी अनलिमिटेड लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ बिजनेस. So the correct answer is unlimited lifespan of business, because sole proprietorship ends with the death, insolvency or retirement of the owner. So it does not have unlimited lifespan. Question number 5 is, a sole proprietor can keep business secrets confidential because option A, records are audited by the government. Option B, no legal compulsion to publish accounts. Option C, employees cannot access information. Or option D, business is large in scale. So the correct answer for question number 5 is no legal compulsion to publish accounts. Unlike companies, a sole proprietor has no legal requirement to publish accounts, so business secrets remain safe. Next, question number 6. Unlimited liability in sole proprietorship means option A, the proprietor's liability is limited to the amount invested in business. Option B, the proprietor is liable only for business debts, not personal debts. Option C, the proprietor's personal property can be used to pay business debts. Or option D, the property is not responsible for business losses. Which one is correct? Option number C. If business cannot pay debts, the owner's personal assets like house, cars can be used to repay creditors. So the correct answer is option number C. Question number 7. Which of the following situations highlights a demerits of sole proprietorship? Demerits means disadvantages of sole proprietorship. Option A, Priya opens a boutique and enjoys all profit herself. Option B, Rahul's stationery shop has to be closed down because he fell ill. Option C, Samir quickly changes the price of his product during festival sales. Or option D, Neha feels motivated as she keeps all profit of her bakery. So, what is the demerit of this question? Option B is the correct answer. Because sole proprietorship lacks continuity. If the owner falls ill or dies, the business usually stops. Now, question number 8 is, why is sole proprietorship not suitable for large scale business? Option A, unlimited liability protects the owner. Option B, continuity of business is guaranteed. Option C, limited managerial ability and resources. And option D is, sole proprietor can raise capital easily. So the correct answer for question 8 will be option number C, because a single person usually cannot provide money, skills and managerial ability required for large scale operations. Now question number 9 is, which statement about sole proprietorship is incorrect? Option A, it is oldest and simplest form of business. Option B, the proprietor bears all risk and enjoys all profits. Option C, the business has no separate legal identity from the owner. Or option D, it enjoys perpetual succession. So the correct answer for question number 9 is option number D, because it does not enjoys perpetual succession. Business ends with the owner. And the last question of today's video is, which merit of sole proprietorship directly relates to customer satisfaction? Option A, flexibility in business operations. Option B, secrecy of information. Option D, direct contact with customers. And option D, full control of management. So the correct answer will be option number C. Customers prefer sole proprietorship because the owner has direct contact with them and can respond to their needs personally. So the correct answer for question number 10 will be option number C.